So you may have forgotten your actual username on Instagram. Now, for changing and or remembering your username can be a little difficult, but there's a few ways to actually recover this. The first thing you want to try doing is you want to open up the Instagram application and you might get into a panel that looks like this. Now, if you forgot your username, what you can try doing is click on the forgot password option here. And sometimes there can be a little option that allows you to log in with another account such as Facebook. So if you forgot your specific login information, you can always try logging in with Facebook or another account like that, and that might end up addressing your situation. Now right here where it says need more help, what you can try doing is you can click on need more help right there, and it'll bring you into their help center. Now it says a few different options over here, but there's usually one that says a username like what do you do if you forgot your Instagram username? But what you can do here is you can click on that little drop down and it tells you exactly what you do. It says that if you don't remember your username, you can still log in using your phone number or email. So you can still log in with your email or your phone number if you don't know your username. So if you remember those things, you can also try signing in with those. If you don't know those, then that you're kind of in a weird situation. But once you log in, you'll basically be able to find your username within that specific panel. Now, if you've lost your email or phone number or whatever, then you may want to go ahead and find a way to recover those specific emails. But that is basically how I would recommend addressing this, is to either A, log in with Facebook, or B, log in with your email or phone number, and that will probably end up fixing the situation for the most part. Now, if you're typing in the right information and nothing is working, you can try restarting your phone. You can try updating your Instagram application via the Play Store, the App Store on the iPhones. But typically, those are the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.